Welcome. In this video you will learn about the sound emitted by the black-throated canary, Crithagra atrogularis, a small songbird native to the African continent. Popularly known as the black-throated canary, this beautiful animal is appreciated not only for its vibrant plumage, but also for its beautiful melodious voice. In this video, we will explore the different types of sounds that the black-throated canary is capable of emitting, and how it uses these sounds to communicate with other members of its species. So get ready for a delightful listening experience as we dive into the sonic world of this lovely songbird. The black-throated canary is a true treasure of nature with its visual and sonic beauty. In addition to being a popular pet, this small songbird plays an important role in the African ecosystem as a pollinator and pest controller. As we have observed in this video, its ability to produce different types of sounds is remarkable and undoubtedly a fascinating aspect of its behavior. By learning more about the sounds that birds emit, we can gain a deeper understanding of how they communicate and interact with the environment around them. Therefore, we hope that this video has inspired you to appreciate even more the sonic beauty of nature and the importance of songbirds in our world.